guys. Okay, so today is Tuesday, and today we are going to be talking about how to check our heart rate. Yesterday we talked about all these different facts that had to do with the heart, and one of the things that I talked about is our heart rate. And our heart rate is just the amount of times our heart beats in 1 minute, okay? So today for your activity, I gave you guys a bunch of different exercises to do, and you do them for 1 whole minute and then you freeze, and it says to check your heart rate. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to do that. You'll probably need a partner, and if you're younger, I will say that you can definitely use a calculator, especially if you haven't learned how to do your times tables yet, because you are going to need to do a little bit of math for this. But what you're going to do is you are going to do one of the movements. I believe one of the movements is bear crawls. So you'll do 1 whole minute of bear crawls. That should get your heart pumping really, really, really good, okay? After you finish your bear crawls, you're going to stop. You're going to grab your wrists, either one, and you're going to look for a pulse. You'll probably feel it, especially if you're sweating and breathing heavy, okay? Then you're going to take your index finger and your middle finger together, and you're gonna put your fingers on your wrist, okay? The partner is going to have a stopwatch, and when they say go, you are going to count how many times you can feel your heartbeat. So if I had a partner here, they'd say go, and I'd start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When the time gets to 15 seconds, your partner is gonna say stop. When your partner says stop, you are going to stop counting, and you are going to multiply whatever number you got. For instance, the number that I got, let's say, if I was counting, let's say it was 15. My heartbeat, or 15 times in the 15 seconds that I was counting, okay? Okay, so now that I know that my heart beat 15 times in 15 seconds, I'm gonna multiply that by 4. The reason that we multiply by 4 is because there's 4 segments of 15 in 1 minute, right? You get 15 seconds and you have 30 seconds if you add another 15, and then if you add another 15, it's 45 seconds, and if you add one more, then it's a whole minute, okay? And so instead of having your partner watch the clock for a minute and you have to count out how many times in 1 whole minute, we just shorten it. We do 15 seconds and then we multiply by 4, okay? So let's say my heart rate was 15 times in 15 seconds. I multiply it by 4, that's 60, okay? My heart rate at rest is 60 seconds. So today, go ahead and take your heart rate practice when you're completely rested. And then do the movements, the different movements that I have in my other video, and practice taking your heart rate, okay? If you're not confident and in your multiplication, you can ask a parent or a different adult that's in your house. You can ask an older sibling or cousin, whoever you're with. Have them check your math and have them do it with you. See what everybody in the house's heart rate is at rest and when you're moving, okay? Tomorrow, we're gonna hit a different topic. But for today, I want you to check your heart rate and then go down and let me know what your heart rate is after you've done 1 movement for 1 whole minute, okay? I love you guys, miss you, and I will see you tomorrow.